I had tried to catch a coon in my coon trap. Ended up with a possum. So I went back to the drawing board and I moved the trap. And you won't believe what we have. That's a coon. Caught him on grain-free, organic dog food that my deaf and blind dog has to eat. Put into an empty Zen can. The reason why I did that is because him and his cohorts get into my bird feeders and destroy them. And they eat suet. And they bend over my shepherd's crooks and other similar crimes. So, just want to let you know that we did have some success, and things are good. I'll be showing you another trick a little later. When you live in the woods like I do, dealing with critters is just part of it. And I've got a chipmunk problem. So they're really hard to catch, but I've figured out a way that I can catch them with rat traps, and I don't even have to bait them. And I'll show you how I do that on another video. So I'm gonna go release this coon into the wild.